most of you might have seen TikTok has been in the news. They've been in trouble with various authorities for flouting data protection laws. And I think the biggest showdown I've seen was when the CEO of TikTok was at the Capitol in Washington, and one of the congressmen said, he wants to congratulate TikTok CEO because he accomplished the most impossible thing that none of them ever would have thought would be possible. He united Democrats and Republicans in one cause. So TikTok has been under fire a lot because of, their platform actually isn't secure. So the Irish Data Protection Authority issued a fine of 345 million euros on them. It was finalized on the 22nd of September. It's quite a significant fine, and it demonstrates how serious this issue was. So essentially, it involved TikTok not processing children's personal data lawfully. So, for example, children that were below 13 were just allowed to sign up to TikTok, and their accounts were automatically made public. So this was by default. And when these accounts were public, it meant that anytime a child used the platform, whatever content they interacted with, or if they set up an account, whatever activities they were involved on the platform, it became public for other users on TikTok to see. Then they also said that the manner in which they allowed children to interact on these platforms was in violation of the UK GDPR because it wasn't the UK GDPR, it was just the GDPR. I'm thinking about another case that someone was fined with the same under the UK GDPR. So they allowed children to set up these accounts without parents' consent. So you have family pairing options on certain devices. This allows you to see your child's activity. So if my child, he loves to play games a lot, but I link all his activities to my phone. So whenever he wants to download a new app or a new game, I always get notified about it first. And then I can give my consent by inputting my password or unlocking it with biometrics and allowing him to download or play a game. So I have quite a lot of control over it, but TikTok did not have any sort of function. So they were found to have flouted several of these data protection laws, and they received a significant fine from the authorities.